Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Before we continue, I'm gonna remind you to hit that like button and to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. All right, so today's video is going to be all about keeping our beauty blenders clean, and I've done the research for you. So I'm going to be showing you the easiest way, the fastest, and the most practical way to clean your beauty blenders, and this technique can also be used to clean your brushes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So here we are going to clean my 4 beauty blenders. I use them on a daily basis and now it's time to clean them up. We are simply going to run them under hot water like so. You're going to be squishing them as they are a sponge, and we want them to absorb as much water as possible so that the makeup that is stuck on your beauty blender can soften up, which will make it much easier to clean once we get to the cleaning and scrubbing part. Once all of your beauty blenders are nice and soaked, we're going to move on to the main ingredient, which is Zote, or the pink soap bar known as Jabón Zote in Spanish. You can find it at your local supermarket or at the dollar store, and it only sells for 99 cents. And this soap bar is great at removing stains and removing any residue from your clothing. And it is also great at cleaning your beauty blenders. You can also clean your makeup brushes using the same technique. This cleaning technique is very quick and simple. We are simply going to grab the beauty blender and scrub it onto the soap bar like so. And we are going to run the beauty blender under the water and continue scrubbing it onto the bar of soap just like this. We're going to repeat, rinse, repeat, and you're going to keep doing that until your beauty blender is completely clean. Now here's a tip that I've learned over time. If your beauty blender is very, very dirty and stained, I normally like to rinse it with water, with really hot water, and I let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so that the soap can work its magic. And after I rinse it once again with hot water, letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes really helps in the makeup removing process, as sometimes the buildup of your makeup onto your beauty blender is very, very hard to take off. But when you let it sit, it lets the soap react and soften up the makeup, and then the hot water just really helps remove all of the buildup. This is our final result. These are my clean beauty blenders. I do use them on a daily basis, and just as a friendly reminder, every time that you wash them, make sure that they are completely dry before you store them away, as you do not want them to grow any mold. So make sure that they are completely dry before you put them away. Also, remember to clean your beauty blenders and your makeup brushes at least once a week, and to replace your beauty blenders every 3 months. That way you will avoid any breakouts on your beautiful skin, and that way your skin can look clean, ravishing, and beautiful. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.